What is up, guys? Coach Tech here, back at it again. So today I got a nice little project going on. So essentially on the left hand side you guys see a case. It's the Corsair Carbide Series airflow case. Now this case was given to me by a buddy of mine. I did make a PC, well, you could say a review about the case and the system that he gave me. So essentially he gave me a system and it was completely filthy. I'm gonna throw a YouTube card up there, guys. Make sure to check this out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all the components off of this case. I'm gonna put them into this case, the NZXT case, the tempered glass case. The reason is it's just a big case. It's great for airflow. It's not gonna match my style of cases. It's not a case that I personally enjoy having. So essentially all the components we have in here, we're gonna throw it in this NZXT case. Now this case has been around for a good minute now. However, I got it for, I believe, 85 bucks. It was on sale, so it was a good steal. So yeah, guys, let's do it. Alright guys, so I basically stripped the case. So inside you guys can see that there's honestly nothing in here, just a bunch of wires. I took the power supply. Now I'm going to show you guys the front. Now in the front, again, everything is stripped except the motherboard and the AIO. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the motherboard and I'm going to take the motherboard out with the AIO. I'm going to leave it installed already to the CPU because I don't want to honestly, put the thermal paste, do everything all over again. It's just going to be a pain in the ass. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out, like I said, the motherboard with the AIO and then put it into the case and see how it basically comes out because I'm too lazy to do everything. Let's do it, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. There was some modding going on. So my 280 mil rad didn't go in. So what I had to do is use my big brute muscles and I had to bend this aluminum piece for the 240 rad to go right in here because this thing was preventing it. What I also did was the top connector for the PC. What I did was essentially I'm not using USB 3, I'm not using USB 2, I'm not using HDMI, and I cut all the connectors. And because I did that because the HDMI connector was too big and again the rad wasn't going in. The only connector I have is for the power, so to turn it on and turn it off. Everything else I honestly don't need. It's been a challenge, guys, but we're almost done. The good thing is the rad, my Corsair 240 mil rad, or 280 mil rad with the two 140 mil fans is gonna go in. It's good now. So yeah, guys, we're going again. So as you guys can see, the PC is complete. Very easy case to build on, very minimalistic, very proportionate in its size, something that I was looking for, nothing too big. Now, there was some modding involved. As you guys saw previously, I had to bend some piece of aluminum to fit in my the Corsair H159, the 280 mil rad. It was pretty simple, just I had to bend it because it wouldn't go in, but that was honestly, that was just that. That was like, I could say the only issue I had was just to bend that piece of aluminum. But all in all, it was honestly very easy to build in. I did take off the tempered glass because so you guys are not going to, of course, see the reflection, but of course I'll show you guys how it looks with the tempered glass. Looks really cool, looks really neat. I did add some Corsair LEDs. A very minimalistic case to build in, very nice. You have that nice tempered glass feature. Of course, especially for the price, not that expensive. But yeah, guys, now let's let me set it up and let's check out the setup, guys. We are back, guys. So as you guys can see, everything looks nice and tidy. The NZXT S340 case is an really easy case to build in. You know, has that nice tempered glass finish. With the rad, like I said previously, I did have to mod it. You know, just bend the aluminum, put in the Corsair 280mm rad, but you know that's 2 seconds to do. Also add a little bling. You know, I put in some Corsair LED light strips. Oh man, it just makes it pop more. You know, if you don't put any light in the case, it's gonna look dark and it's gonna look plain and just it's not gonna look as good. But in the internals, we do have an Intel i5 3690K paired up with 8 gigs of RAM and also an EVGA 1060 graphics card running at 1920 by 1080. So you're honestly not gonna have any hiccups in gaming. Everything is gonna run silky smooth above 60 FPS. I mean, I play here. You know, we got Rainbow Six Siege, PUBG. At this kind of res, guys, everything is gonna be smooth as butter. It's not gonna be any issues. And of course, guys, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Tell me what you guys think about the setup. Tell me what I could have done better, guys. And as always, guys, keep it kosher tech. I'll catch you next time. Peace.